This is Eden, she's 10 months, and these are my tips for new moms.
And these are my tips for being on the go with 3 young kids.
I'm here to tell you how I survived those long road trips visiting my kids at college.
This Lighten Up Backpack is a must for a new mom. It's water resistant, it has so many pockets. I keep diapers in here. Front pocket, I keep a little toy for her. Big pocket, I keep the changing pad, tons of changes of clothes.
This Stroll Around Baby Bag has been the biggest lifesaver. I'm able to pack in at least 2 to 3 changes of outfits for each child. Stroller Attachments, it provides a hands-free option. Just hook it onto the stroller and go, and it does not tip over. Changing pad here that zips off so easily. In addition to these extra pockets here.
I love the Iconic Vera Tote. It has great pockets, has this great top zip, so when it's in the car and it falls over, nothing spills out. I always keep the essentials. A cosmetic with sunscreen and a brush, my sunglasses, an umbrella because you never know when it's gonna rain.
So I picked up this Lighten Up cosmetic because the inside is water resistant and I can put all of her little lotions, sprays, hand sanitizer.
It's a compartmentalized way to keep in all of my essentials.
I love to keep my ditty bag in my Vera Tote, stuffed with my yoga clothes.
Water resistant lining has been a lifesaver.
When she has a little accident, I just take the clothes, put them in here.
Throw the smelly clothes in, throw it in my bag, and everything else stays fresh inside.
I picked up this grab and go wristlet because I love to be hands-free.
I always carry around the Zip ID and the Mallory Accordion wallet.
I love the all-in-one crossbody because it holds everything I need, my phone, my credit card.
Easy to transition from a purse to the baby bag.
On a long road trip, you always need coffee.
And it fits perfectly in the side pocket of this backpack.
When the girls went away to college, the first thing they wanted was a Zip ID and a lanyard so they could carry around their school IDs and their dorm room keys. These things are fantastic.
And those are some of my tips for busy new moms.
And those are my tips for a mom on the go.
And those are my tips for road tripping to visit my kids in college.
Happy Mother's